Hey gang, how you doing? This is Dwayne from ITMasterKey.com, and today I want to talk about the 7-layer OSI model. The Open Systems Interconnect, or the OSI model, was created so we can actually figure out what happens when we press send on an email, or what happens when we actually send data through the network. Since we can't see the ones and the zeros actually go through the network, that is the purpose of the OSI model, just to give us a way to wrap our head around data actually traveling through the network. 1001, 1002, 1003. Oh, hey, so the first layer we're going to talk about is the physical layer. So the physical layer composes all the physical devices. That's going from the cabling to the motherboards to the CPU pin layouts. Next up is the data link layer. So the data link layer is where MAC addresses and switches reside. So MAC addresses are the physical addresses of every device on your network. A switch actually interconnects all devices within your network. So a switch actually uses the MAC addresses or the physical address of every device to figure out where information is supposed to go. All right, gang, so next up is the network layer. The network layer is responsible for routing and IP addressing. So an IP address is just your address on the network, right? Just like every house, including this house, needs an address so the mailman knows where to deliver data or packages. You need to have an address on your actual network so the computer in the network knows where to actually send the information. And the router is responsible for that. So the router actually routes information depending on the IP address. All right, gang, so next up is the transportation layer. I'll be right back. I forgot my phone. So there's two different ways that you can send stuff, TCP or UDP. The Transmission Control Protocol, or TCP, is really reliable and ensures that whatever you sent makes it to the destination. Now UDP, which is the User Datagram Protocol, is a lot faster than TCP, but it's not reliable. It doesn't care if whatever you sent actually makes it to the destination. Email would use TCP while YouTube would use UDP. If YouTube used TCP, it would be a lot slower because TCP uses acknowledgments, right? So TCP ensures, hey, did you get it? Everything okay? If you use TCP for YouTube, every time you look at a cat video or whatever else you look at on YouTube, every time 1 kilobit was sent, it would say, hey, are you okay? Did you see it? Is everything all right? So it would slow down the process a lot. Hey gang, I was gonna go get a Slurpee, but I noticed I didn't have any gas, so I figured it'd be the perfect time to play with the pup and tell you guys about the session layer. So, give me this. Yeah. So the session layer is responsible for initiating and ending sessions, right? So it'll start and stop a session. Really that simple. Here you go, baby. Hey gang, so the next layer is the presentation layer. The presentation layer is responsible for how things are presented to you. It's also responsible for encryption and as well as the format that the information is presented. Last but not least is the application layer, and that's the layer that you're using right now. So what's the easy way for you to remember all the layers of the OSI model? If we look at it from bottom to top, you can use please, do not throw sausage, pizza away. Each one of those words, the first letter represents a layer of the OSI model. Please being physical, do being data link, not being network layer, so on and so forth. So we want to go from bottom to top. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. If we want to go from top to bottom, you can use all people seem to need data processing. Top to bottom, all people seem to need data processing. So gang, today we went through the 7 layers of the OSI model. We figured out what each layer represents, how it works, and what it does. And quick quiz. If we want to remember from bottom to top the OSI model, how can we remember that? Perfect. Please do not throw sausage pizza away. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and other than that, I'll see you in class.